This is JP with Canyon Hobbies. Thanks for joining us today. We're about to unbox our first delivery Corvette to show you guys what it looks like unboxing, and then you should come in and pre-order and get some on order. We'll start with the wrapping. You have to appreciate my nice big knife. This one here, this happens to be the white one or the red one. This is the red one. Even better. So for all of you U of U fans, it's the red one. They didn't make it easy to unbox. Comes out one side. Here we go. It's a little cherrier than we thought, at least according to the picture. The red is definitely a more cherry red. Honestly, I think I like it better than the picture. So there we go. It comes with a little wrapping over the cover. Might as well get that out of the way. It's not going to let me without taking the body off. As you can tell already, the wheels are a little wider than our old 2.0s. Take a look at those rims. Biggest difference with the new one is the way the body clips on right here in the back. There's a little clip. Not sure how it comes off the front. Same way. There's a clip in the front as well, you can see. So hopefully that holds up as we play with these. Ooh, mirrors come pre-installed. Looks like they made it so you could get LEDs in there. It's got the mid-engine motor. It's a pretty color. Looks like it comes with a little hardware kit. It's got some shock pieces to lower your shocks for things. This one out of the box comes with the XL5. That might be the first thing we upgrade. It's a little bit longer stance there. I like the bumper on that too. We'll get a battery in it and start another video to show you how it runs. Join us.